My friend Nate, who I told you about earlier, who's the CEO at Gab Wireless, they sell the smartphones and watches without any internet. Well, one of his employees, Lori, said, I want to make my company mission a movement. Lori was only a few months into the job when a mom from Chicago reached out and she said, hey, I need to share something deeply personal with you. She said, your watch is not just a watch. It's a lifeline for my 10-year-old son. She said, my son Michael has stage 4 cancer, brain tumor. He's had it since he was a little kid, and whenever they go for treatment, they're away for 7 to 10 days. Away from his dad, his twin sisters, his classmates, his teammates, his neighborhood friends, he's all alone. And whenever they go for treatment, despite having a great relationship with his mom, he gets extremely lonely. And while he's sitting there in chemo, his dad's messaging him, his classmates are messaging him, his sisters are messaging him saying, hey, Michael, we love you, we miss you. She said, your watch is not just a watch, it's a lifeline for my 10-year-old son, Michael. So Lori's extremely moved by this, and she asked Nate, the CEO, if she can connect further with Michael and his mom. And despite only being a few months of the job, Nate said, have at it. So they connect on a call, and it was then that she decided to invite Michael and his family to Park City, Utah to visit Gab's headquarters. And they told Michael they're going to pay for the whole trip. They'd put him up in a fancy hotel. They'd go skiing, make snowmen, and overall have a blast. But most importantly, they were just incredibly excited to meet this young kid named Michael. And that's when Lori came up with this idea that would change not only Michael's life, but also the lives of the employees at Gab. Together, they decided they were going to make 10-year-old Michael the CEO for the day. When Michael arrived, he and Nate wore matching outfits, black shirts, khaki pants, fresh Nike Dunks. And Nate told Michael, he said, listen, pal, he said, there's only one rule today. He said, you legit are the CEO, so you're calling all the shots. So Michael said, let's see those sales numbers. So they met back in the conference area where they got everyone together and they reviewed the quarterly numbers. They printed the actual quarterly numbers, and they gave Michael a stamp that said just CEO, that was the stamp. And he gave a seal of approval on the quarterly numbers. Next, Michael said, all my employees must do good and volunteer and help others. So they spent some time making goodie bags for other kids with cancer. About halfway through the day, Michael looked at his Gab watch and he tugged Nate on his shirt and said, Nate, psst, it's recess time. Could we take a 15-minute recess? So they hopped on scooters as they rode around and they shouted, hey, everybody, we're taking a 15-minute recess. They all met back in the kitchen where they made ice cream sundaes, connected, and had a blast. Towards the end of the day, Michael looked up to Nate and said, Nate, this is the coolest thing I've ever done. At the end of the day, multiple employees said, this was the best day of my career. Not best day at Gab, not best day this week or this month, but this was the best day of my career.